They say ask and you shall receive. I used to think that was for the birds. I know better now. In the last video on the meaning of a perfect storm, I asked you guys to help me by giving the video 40 likes in the first 24 hours. You came through, and then some. Now the video has over 60 likes and counting. For this video, let's see if we can do even better. Since the last video has gotten 60 thumbs up, let's see if we can get 80 thumbs up in the first 24 hours on this video. I just know my viewers will come through. This will keep the channel growing and allow me to keep making new videos. If you want to keep getting your idioms videos on a regular basis, we have to work together. And also, I'd love to know where you're from. I'm always curious as to what countries the views on a particular video are coming from. I get viewers from all over the world, especially India, but also many other countries too numerous to name. Let me know in the comments where you're viewing from, and if English isn't your primary language, what language you usually speak. Meaning of the English idiom, for the birds. If something is for the birds, it is without value, undesirable, stupid, boring, foolish, ridiculous, unimportant, uninteresting, or deserving of disdain. Usage notes. This phrase sometimes describes something that is only acceptable to people who are less intelligent or more gullible than oneself. But it can be used in a wide variety of circumstances. Examples of use. Worrying about the climate is for the birds. It's all made up. Reality TV is for the birds. It's far from reality. Today's music is for the birds. All this pop music sounds the same. Let's go look at art exhibits downtown, said Millie. That's for the birds. I'd rather sit around watching paint dry, answered Fred. Homework is for the birds. This new phone is for the birds. It keeps freezing up. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since the early part of the 1900s. It is usually claimed that this mostly American idiom alludes to birds extracting seeds from horse droppings, something that would be deemed worthless by humans. Although this theory may seem to be the product of a fertile imagination, an earlier version of this expression was shit for the birds.